my way forward here on YouTube with this Legacy After 60 platform that I'm creating. Now, I want to mention is that I'm here to guide you in Legacy After 60. What are the stories, contributions, and projects that you can create that would be of value to others, that might improve focus and strengthen their own lives? However, there will be times where I'll chat about the YouTube channel as well and other social media channels, and they'll come about through other videos that I will be producing and uploading. But today I just wanted to acknowledge that I'm not a YouTube person who is going to help you improve the tools and techniques of your YouTube. Even though I have published, 1,300 videos. I have been around for 12 years here on YouTube. I ain't made it yet. Let's be clear. There's still things about titles and thumbnails and descriptions and content and hooks and all those kind of things. Now, there are others who are better suited to be able to help you with that. Along the way, I'll probably share some interactions that I've had with some of them. But again, this is not a YouTube channel in terms of how to create a YouTube channel. But it is a way for me to document this Legacy After 60 approach that I'm attempting to bring forward, and so that you might be able to understand what might be the media, the message, the members you want to bring into your legacy story and see where it happens and your contributions in your project. So that's what I'm aiming towards. And let's see what happens as that unfolds. And your comments below would be greatly appreciated. I'm Steve, I'm a legacy mentor, and I'm digging in to see what I can do. I'm 71 and I'm going to make it happen with your help. Now, as I move forward with this, there's a phrase, continue, stop, and start, that will become very evident as I move. Because as I shape and share Legacy After 60, there are things I'm going to continue to do, stop doing, and start doing. I'm going to pass them along to you. Now, there's a series of videos that will be this sort of background kind of idea. There'll be another set of videos about my Soulless Grove imaginary town that I'm creating. It's about legacy. It's another way in which to learn about Legacy After 60. There'll be a Medium channel that I'll talk about, medium.com, which is where I write up my philosophical phenomenology, my academic. I have an academic background, and it's going to come out through medium.com. It might be of help to some. Others might go, oh, I won't touch that, but that's okay. But the Soulless Grove information, I think you'll find fabulous, because that's where stories, storytelling, story sharing is going to unfold, and that will be one of the tools and techniques that I'll be sharing here on the channel. Now, the other component of this is that as time goes by, there might be other kind of videos that I'll create. I'm not quite sure what they'll look like. They could be the podcast style. They could be live. I don't know. I'll see how things go. But I'll ask you what's of interest to you in terms of learning about Legacy After 60. Take a look and see what's unfolding here on the channel, and let me know what you think. It'd be great. Comments below are always appreciated, so we can learn together. Now, that what do you continue, what do you stop, what do you start? Great tool for you as well as you start to figure out what it is that you want to bring forward. What do you want to continue doing that is of help? What is you want to stop doing? Ooh, pull it, get rid of that. And what do you want to start? And one of the great things I would encourage, and I see a lot of videos about this on YouTube, is just start. I would just say, from a Legacy After 60 point of view, just start. There are things that you can do, and I'll be offering those in the videos around a model called YABCDEF. I will be bringing that to the foreground for you. A little bit like a challenge. The other thing that I would encourage you to do, and this is just step into this every day, is action reflection. Of the action you take, reflect on it and in it. So while you're in your action, reflect. While you've completed your action, reflect on it. Because what it does is it actually helps to understand what I'll call the situation, the learning, the decisions, the actions, and the outcomes. So the situation you find yourself in, there's probably an outcome you're looking to do. You want to continue, stop, or start doing something. You want to improve focus or strengthen something. And what it means is that the learning that you're going to pull about that situation is going to help you make the decisions that gives you the actions. And therefore, the action reflection helps you with your learning and helps you then improve your decisions that get you better outcomes and better understanding of situations that if you find yourself there again, now what do I do? So again, this way of looking at it, and you'll find it just down below here as well, is it's a great little tool, and I'm going to do a separate video on it because there's a few more dimensions you can add to it. But if you think about today, I'm going to walk into a situation. What's my learning around that? What decisions will I make? What actions will I take? And what outcomes did I get? Action reflection. Give it a go. Let me know down below. Did it work for you? Do you have suggestions? Be great. So that's today's video. So again, questions, comments down below are always appreciated, and always and in all ways, take care.